a big Rick. Fendi on my collar, I'm a real rich prick. Feel like some extra P, shake 'em off my dick. Too much sauce, bro, my head.
Hello. So I asked y'all on Instagram, on my Insta story, to vote for me which hair color I should do, and I was choosing between like a brownish honey color and a red. So y'all voted for the red, so I thought, well, I shouldn't take you on my experiment tour. Like this is definitely going to be an experiment because I used to work as a hairdresser, but I didn't finish like the training as a hairdresser or whatever. But I kind of know what works for me and what I have to use to achieve the color I'm going for. So I just went to the drugstore and bought some products. I bought some bleaching color, you know, to bleach my hair. I just bought some European bleaching color, like, you know, because I experienced, like, I have experience with it. Like, I already bleached my hair before, so I always use like European stuff. Yeah, I bought 3 packages of the bleaching color. Then I bought some hair color, like it's a reddish color. You know, I just bought some things where I was like, okay, maybe if this doesn't work out, this will, you know, add some spice. I don't know. And then I bought some direction colors. As you can see, this is coral red. And then I bought Pillarbox red. This looks like this. And then I bought another one of the coral. So I'm opening this bleaching cream. Gonna press it into the bleaching bottle. We reached a point where I had to part my hair, and I did 4 parts, like 2 in the front and 2 in the back.
You mean everything to me. Every time when I think of your love, it did do me something for body. And no need to say a word, you always just my command. I'll choose you again in another life, yeah. No need to pay for me or your money. Don't worry, boy, cause I got it. And baby, I will share it all with you. And I remember when it was just you and me under the tree. Oh, I bet it keep
I can see what's in your eyes, I know the lie. Say the hard for you to let me go. You can see what's
I have applied color all over my head, and it's already pretty brownish. Look at my eye. Okay, it's already like pretty brown. So I think I'm gonna wash it out already because I'm going for this like burgundy reddish look. Yeah, so it doesn't need to be too light. This is my hair after I washed it. Like my roots are super light, like my roots are really light. I'm gonna use the Garnier Nutrisse Créme Nutrisse cream for my roots, since they are lighter and this color is darker. The back, me, I don't care what's going on in the back. The back is doing its own thing. Me, I only care about the front. No, the front is more important to me.
I don't go lie. Say the harm for you to let me go. You can see what's in my eyes, I don't go lie. Say the harm for me to let you go. But over, I be told no. La baby, oh, baby, man, shake my leg. La baby, oh, I be told over, I be told. La baby, oh, I show my
This was the red I was going for, and I'm so proud of myself.
Baby, show me love, and I will show you some too. When you need somebody, I'll be the one you